What's the meaning of affiliated? Affiliated. 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 The term affiliated refers to the connection or association of one entity with another, usually in a subordinate or secondary capacity. It suggests a link between two parties where one is officially and legally connected to or associated with the other. This connection may be based on ownership, control, membership, sponsorship, or some other type of relationship that creates a sense of belonging. Affiliation often implies mutual benefits for both parties, such as increased visibility, shared resources, and improved credibility. Overall, affiliation involves a formalized connection between two entities for a specific purpose or benefit.